Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gear. Today, we're diving into the features and benefits of what we consider the best travel trailer cover for 27 to 30 feet RVs available in the market. This travel trailer RV cover from Mofeez is designed to provide top-notch protection for your camper. It's crafted from an extra-thick 5-layer material that includes a UV-resistant and waterproof film. This ensures durability against elements like rain, snow, wind, and even bird droppings, effectively prolonging the life of your RV. The package includes everything you need for comprehensive coverage: extra straps, tire covers, adhesive repair patches, and more. The cover boasts a robust construction with a 5-layer structure that enhances its tear resistance and strength. With multiple layers of waterproof tape and sturdy buckles, it's built to withstand strong winds and harsh weather conditions. Designed with ventilation openings and a convenient roll-up zipper door for easy access, ensuring optimal airflow and moisture reduction. Equipped with weighted buckle toss bags and zipper panels for hassle-free installation and accessibility to your RV when needed. Protects against UV damage, dust, and scratches, minimizing premature aging of your vehicle. Includes reflective strips for enhanced visibility during nighttime. To wrap it up, the Mofeez travel trailer RV cover stands out as a comprehensive solution for protecting your investment. Its durable build, coupled with thoughtful features like ventilation and easy access, make it a standout choice in its category. Whether you're storing your RV during the off-season or preparing it for a road trip, this cover ensures peace of mind and longevity for your vehicle. That concludes our overview of the best travel trailer cover for 27 to 30 feet RVs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.